Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel. I gotta show you something I made today because I'm actually supposed to be putting new elastic in the bottom of Brian's 3 pairs of sweatpants that the elastic is worn out and he just loves them, so they need to fit right. But I got these super cute things. You know, in my last video I showed you how I made this mug rug for my friend Masayo over in Japan. Well, they have today released at KimberBell some super cute things. I gotta show you. They're for these little rope baskets, and there's a couple of kits. So there's this one, which is the Home Sweet Home kit. So cute. And each one of these, you see this big one, and there's a smaller one. It'll make a big and a small one, these kits. This one that I did today is for the butterflies, and I wanted to make this for Masayo too, and I've never made one of these. So I decided to do the smaller version, and it had enough supplies for absolutely everything, even the little, like, there's a little button to go on the side, super cute. And look at how cute that is. I did the embroidery on the inside, and then mine, you can see, goes more straight up. It's a learning curve, but I'm curving, so I made this, and then I thought to myself, you know, I could unstitch it and redo it so that it's more open. You can see how that one's kind of wide. See how it's kind of wide? It goes more like a basket. This is more straight up and down. But then I realized Masayo might prefer it this way because they don't have the amount of counter space and stuff over in Japan that we have here. And this would be a little bit more space saving for her, like maybe by her desk or something like that. But it is so cute. Even you make the little, this is like a faux leather to put over it, even embroider that, and it even comes with a tassel. How cute. I'm excited. So I wanted to make the small one. This is the one that's done in the 5x7 hoop. The next one will be the one that's in an 8x12 hoop. So I'm going to make that one, but I love it. I think it's going to be super cute, and I'm going to send those both to her, and I'm going to put some candies in here and just send them to her because that's super neat. And the thing is, it's super lightweight too, so it's not going to be an expensive adventure to send this to Japan. But I want to say they also released that I am excited about. These are actual kits that come with everything, but they also have this new set of all of the holidays. It's a whole set of holiday bowls. And so the inside, there's like one that has like for a bat for Halloween, and it's cute. But not so cutesy, but not scary, really nice. There's one that's like for fall. There's a bunny one. There's a heart one. There's one for like every single holiday. It's cute. And there's a St. Patrick's Day one. So I'm getting that. And they also have the embellishment kits with that. So you can buy rope from them. They also have the embellishment kits, which have all of the extras, like the little buttons. There's a little button right there that I can do on my next one. See, it's like a butterfly button. And they have an embellishment kit that has matching buttons for all of that. I am excited, but I wanted to share this with you, and there'll be a link down in the description for you to go check it out because these are super cute. And if you are a machine embroidery kind of gal or guy, you might want to try these because they are so darn cute. I'm excited about them, and I know the next one I'm going to make when I do the holiday ones, it's going to be more open, more like a bread basket kind of thing for my table. But this actually, this size, more straight up on the sides, is going to be perfect for Masayo. I just know it. So I want to share this with you because I think it's cute. And I think if you're interested in this, you can go check it out. And they also have a YouTube channel that has all kinds of information and instruction, and it is just awesome. So I just wanted to quick show you this because I made it today, and it was fun. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.